Good morning vlog and happy January 7th. Yeah, I know. Oh god, that hurts. I'm feeling a little bit better. So a little recap. I live in Missouri if you did not know that. And we got a wintry snow mix thingy. Yeah. My nose is running. It's been fun to say the least. Just kidding. I've been working most of the time. Mind you, I haven't fell or anything like that. Which, we're done with the snow until Friday. Today is Wednesday. We're supposed to get like another 3 inches Friday. But, you know, we'll see. Sorry, my phone's been blowing up like crazy. So we're going to mute it. The dog's playing with her ball. But anyway, so last night when I got off work, me and my husband went to Walmart and came back home. Mind you, we've been parking in the same spot the past couple days when I get off work, go to work, you know, no incidents. Last night I went to go get out and like my foot slid, and I guess the way I caught myself, like I jerked or something, tensed up, I don't even really know. And when I'm telling you, my back was hurting so bad. I went to go sit on the couch and I was fine, you know. I was like, okay, it hurts, but it's okay, I can manage. When I tell you, when I got off the couch last night, because I was waiting on dinner, so I was just sitting on the couch holding my Kindle. I was in tears. Like, I felt like I couldn't catch my breath. Like, every time I moved, I just felt like someone was like choking me is what it kind of felt like, honestly. And like the pain was making me sick to my stomach as well. So like I could barely walk to our kitchen. And if you know, my house is not that big. Well, you can tell from the vlogs, it's not very big. So just simply walking from the couch to our kitchen table, I was almost unable to do. And then last night, sleeping in bed, the only position I could sleep in was on my stomach, which I usually sleep on my stomach anyway, but I toss and turn a lot because I can't stay in one spot. So I can only really lay on my stomach facing, like my head had to be facing the door, the side my husband sleeps on. And so that was great. I've been switching on and off with a ice pack, and it's feeling great. Coke, go. I have to keep an eye on this one because she's been coming in here and sneaking into my trash can again and taking stuff out and trying to eat it. So, but yeah, my back's feeling a little bit better. This morning it was a little rough when I got up to use the bathroom. It's gonna probably sound TMI, but like I was hurting so bad, like I could barely even move my arms. So when I was pulling my pants up, like I literally can't. Like it hurt that bad getting off the toilet because our toilet sits a little lower. Also ignore my hair. I still got bad head. That's why I'm like trying to poke my head up here. Anywho's, it's but yeah, we're feeling so much better. I was taking ibuprofen and I just switched it a while ago to Aleve because you're only supposed to you can't take more than 6 ibuprofens, I think, within 24 hours. And at this point I've already had 6, so I'm like, I need something else. So I took Aleve, so maybe that's what's helping the pain, because I felt like the ibuprofen really was not helping at all. So maybe Aleve is gonna be my thing. I don't know. But yeah, it's my niece, not my niece, my nephew's birthday party Saturday. which even if it still even happens because of the weather that we're supposed to be getting. So I'm stressed about that. And then we're having a birthday lunch dinner type of thing at my mom's house for my brother, and it's also my mom's birthday coming up, so I don't know what we're doing for that. I'm just like literally my nephews, my mom's, my brother's, my stepdad's, and my friend Reagan, it's her birthday also this month, so I'm like, oh my god, too many birthdays. It's January, it's right after Christmas. But the good thing is we already have my nephew's ordered. It should actually be here tomorrow, hopefully. It's actually supposed to arrive Friday, but now they moved it to Thursday, so fingers crossed that shows up. And we also already have my mom's. We have nothing for my brother. Yeah, don't know what I'm gonna do with that, so that's fun. Because I don't get paid till the day after his birthday. My case is from I want to say Five Below. I'm not too big of a fan of it, plus it's super very I don't even know what I wore that was pink that transferred onto this, so that's fun. So I'm gonna actually go read because I'm almost done with my book. I had like 73 pages last night, but I read some this morning because the hopes was to finish it last night, but I was in so much pain, like reading was no question. So yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen today. My husband is on a salt journey because he's supposed to go buy some salt, you know, for the ice and stuff, melt away ice, melt away salt, whatever it's called. He waited till it was too late and the snowstorm's already hit, and where near us does not have any, so he's having to go up towards the city where they got a lot more than we did. We got about 8 inches, I think. That's including the ice, I'm pretty sure. And up north they got like 10 inches. Not much more, but you know. Actually no, they might have got more than 10. I want to say maybe 12. Almost a foot. I may be wrong. I don't even know. So he's heading up there. So I'm like, okay, what do I do now? Because I'm getting kind of hungry, so just a little bit, but not much. So I'm just gonna eat some Doritos Cool Ranch. I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna grab water and go read my Kindle in bed because the dog, I guess, is wanting to hang out in the bed today, so which is fine. I'm gonna probably put some ice on my bag. I might take my little reading pillow over here and put like the ice. Let me do that. So it depends on what way I move, it hurts, which is a lot better than it was yesterday because I would literally have to be like hunched over. Yeah, so he's going to Home Depot because they were supposed to get a truck in today. So we also had 2 little kids earlier. You hear them out plowing? Yeah, they haven't touched our roads since not yesterday but the day before at 2 a.m. Well, they messed with it a little yesterday, I take that back. But anyway, I don't even remember what I was saying now, so I'll just talk to you guys after a while when something interesting is happening. I'm hoping my back subsides a little bit more, that way I can clean and film a video for you guys. I hope you guys are loving my little first video I posted this year. I don't know what else what I want to film, so comment below down some ideas because that'd be great. If you guys would like an update, it's now 2:43. When was the last time I talked to you guys? Last I talked to you was roughly about 12 20. Yeah, so it's been like 2 hours or so, 2, 3. But I'm starting to get like super hungry now. My husband and them are back in town. My mother, it's just my mother-in-law, my husband. I told you guys they were going to the city. And on their way back in, my mother-in-law texted me saying, hey, we're almost home. What sounds good for lunch? And I said, it really don't matter, anything. And I'm still waiting. And that was at 1:35. Almost an hour. It's been an hour. So, yeah. I just wanted to update you guys. Nothing really. I have like 40 pages left of my book to read, so I'm about to go back on the bed to go finish that. The back is starting to hurt again. Yeah, it's been on ice. When it's on ice, it's fine. And then when I just got up a while ago, it hurt kind of to get off the bed, and then to walk it's okay, but now when I'm just standing or sitting, it hurts. It's making me want to scream. It's like, it's like all right up in here, and then like shoots down like a little bit. It's like mainly right here. I hope you guys could see where I just demonstrated. If not, that's getting cut out. But yeah, I'm probably gonna go get me a Pop-Tart. You watch, as soon as I get back in bed and eat my Pop-Tart, they're gonna be getting food. Yeah. And it's Thursday, we're supposed to be getting more snow. So Thursday into Friday morning, we're supposed to get more snow. Anyway, what I tell you guys, I guess he was got salt, and they went to the antique store for a second, and then they went to his work, I guess, to drop off the salt, or drop something off, or check something or whatever. Look, I'm getting a notification now that they're leaving his work. Yeah. Also, isn't this a cute photo? Like, I'm obsessed. It's just so cute. The only thing I hate about it is my arms. Oops. My arm. It's like 2 different colors. But that was worse. That's actually edited. Like the filter on it or whatever. So now I'm curious on where they're going for lunch. I'm really hungry. Okay, and it looks like, so I can't really show you without showing my location, but so my husband is in the back parking lot of a gas station, and my mother-in-law is at Subway. Oh, okay, yeah. Like, this is the message I just got. We're getting a Subway for lunch. So I just really replied back with nice. So we're getting Subway, so they're probably gonna get that and drop his mom off, so it's probably gonna be like another 20-ish minutes, because who knows what they're getting at Subway. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the Pop-Tart and read my book.